Yeah, hello. My name is Shantanu Banerjee, and my company's name is International Printing Press, and we are basically in print business of offset printing. There are a lot of variety of printing. Out of that, we are in the category of offset printing, and my designation is partner in the company, and my role is basically I'm into the management of the company. The total management has been overlooked, has been looked up by me. And regarding our company, it's proud. I'm very proud to state that my company is one of the oldest in Eastern India right at this moment. It was started by my great grandfather in the year 1903, and I'm the fourth generation servicing for this industry for the last 115 years with the most modern technology in printing right at this moment. And we are basically into printing of advertising and packaging materials. Advertising material means all leaflets, brochures, magazine, such types of books. These are the type of books we do, and danglers, in-shop danglers, and lot of advertising materials. That is the POP materials. And as well, we are into packaging of materials. Packaging in the sense it's printed boxes, mono cartons. We also do for popcorn boxes for Inox for all the multiplex theater movies. So this is basically our brief history of what we do, and the normal challenges you have asked for the reason that what are the challenges we face in the company. The challenges is quite frequent. It's basically the planning, production, and complete delivery of the materials. What we do right from beginning to the end, there are a lot of challenges. It's a part of our business as well. Quality, maintaining of quality is also a very important part in our business, which is a very big challenge. So it is all looked by the departmental heads, and overall looking is done by me. Now, why I had gone to Pashupati Kundu? That's the main thing. One of the main reason is that actually we being a medium standard businessman and managed by you one single hand, what I found is that I had been basically working for the business. What Pashupati Kundu has suggested that a person should work not for the business should work for them, and you should not be in the business, you should be on the business for the development of the business. Thereafter, basic thing is that what I have learned from Pashupati Kundu, or what I have gathered from him, is that even with your absence in the business must run smoothly and it should be 100% effective. So we, what I felt is that we basically medium standard businessman who is running the entire show and who is the boss of their own unit doesn't have a push from behind. Whatever we think, we are right. There's nobody else, because we do not employ that highly educated people who normally gives us a lot of ideas that this is the way that a business should move, or this is the decision you are making it wrong. So what we feel, we used to feel we are always right. For example, I'll tell you few things like, before joining Pashupati Kundu, I had some ideas of three things. First of all, it was number one was beautification of the entrance of my factory. I was planning to do it for the last 2 years, but every time, chalo theek hai, maybe it's tomorrow. And I think whatever I'm doing, it was right. Number 2 point, normally we do change in the technology of the printing, which is highly capital intensive, once in every 4 to 5 years for each and every machines. So approximately within 2 years, we need to change the technology of our machines. But for the last about 2 to 3 years, I have been always planning to do this particular thing, this particular step, but I was unable to do it because there was no push from the behind. So these are the basic two things. And third, I have been struggling in the business. I've been struggling with lot of time and efforts in the business. I felt that my people might not be that capable enough to handle the business. So what I learned from Pashupati is to do the proper planning, and thereafter, after having a crash course from him, from this action coach, these particular three things I have been able to successfully implement. One, beautification. After having a deadline, after giving a deadline on myself, I had done the beautification of the factory. I had done the change in the technology of two particular printing machines with a capital investment of more than 2.5 crores of rupees. And third, which is the most important part, I have been able to segregate all my people in their own department with their own responsibilities and without looking into it. Or maybe in between, I had taken a leave of about 15 days, and I was in the Scandinavian countries and Russia without carrying any mobile phone or any contact number for my men. And what I found is that all my departmental people have quite successfully done their job without my presence or without contacting me. Of course, I won't give them 100%, but at least more than 90% marks I'll be able to give it to them. So, at the end, I can tell you that this particular coaching session has given me a quite good, effective result. And right at this moment, I have been able to concentrate more on my other parts of my life as well as other part of diversification. And I feel that this is quite an important thing, and everybody should go for this. This is very important because we cannot consider that we are always right and we are always the best. Everything needs to be learned. So this is what, in a nutshell, I can tell you about myself. And thanks to Pashupati Kundu for helping me out for this particular problem what I was having, and I'm very satisfied with his coaching. Thank you very much.